Hi guys! If you use an Android device, you don't need any special actions to open WhatsApp locations in Google Maps because WhatsApp already uses Google services to send locations. So just tap on your location and it automatically opens in Google Maps. And there's another possibility. You might see a prompt asking you to open location in one of the apps installed on your phone. So just select Google Maps, and if you won't check, don't ask again. If needed, you can always change the choice later in your phone settings. So tap on Google Maps and it's open in Google Maps. On the iPhones, there is a different situation. WhatsApp opens location in its inner application. So to open in Google Maps, you need to tap on the location and tap on the share icon at the bottom left. Now you can open in Apple Maps or in Google Maps. If you don't see open in Google Maps option, make sure Google Maps is installed on your iPhone. Otherwise, open Play Store, search for Google Maps, and install the application. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome.